Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite someone as a developer to your agent project on Dialogflow to work with you on the given agent, for example, to insert intents and so on and so forth. So let us dive into this. So head over to Dialogflow, select the given agent in the top left. I will go with this one here, click into the gear icon to access its settings. Next, you will need to access this option here, share, or that's share tab. And from there, what you want to do is navigate to invite new people. Here, enter the recipient's email address. But before you send the invitation via email, so that the recipient may either accept or decline it through their own Dialogflow account, you will need to set the status here. Switch from reviewer to developer, and then you may send the invitation. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.